Hey guys, Tater here and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a server review today on MAN Universe. I'm going to have the IP and the forum link in the description if you want to join. So yeah, let's get started. This is Spawn. Lumberjack459 and Paulo AQS worked on it for hours, which is awesome to have this nice spawn. For here we have our staff of Mazen, NGO, Josh, Paulus, Paulo, Amir, and I'm Sign, and Lumberjack. Then if you want to apply for helper or YouTuber, you can go on the forums, and anyone admin or above will check. And over here we have our donor ranks. Right now we just have Lowlander. You can do Kit Lowlander, which is this. And then if you're not a donor, you can do Kit Starter, Kit Food, or I believe Kit PvP. Any of those. So over here we have our shop. I'm still filling it in, but this is it so far. And then through here we have just sell your ores and ingots. Over here we have player shops. These you have to ask an admin to buy, but after this I'm going to show you some that you can just get on your own. So yeah, pretty good size. Alright, and then if you want to get your own, you can go to Warp Play Shop or Warp Player Shops. This is mine, since my nickname is Cyan. I'm Fail, which is actually just senior admin, but I made my own name. And then Mazen thinks Sponge is the rarest item on the server, but we made him a nice little sponge house. Paulus, it says that it's open for renting, but it's just because he ran out of time. So you can get any of these. Then here we have Paulo's bar. So it's the rules. And we have security cameras. But since you're watching my channel, you get special treatment and you get to go behind the scenes. So it's everything you can get. I think he's still adding more, but it's gonna be his supply stock. And down here you have some music. He needs to fill that hole. And then any of these you can rent. It's 2,500 for 5 days. So yeah, it's player shops. And if you just want to relax, Paulo and I have both worked on Frontier Railroad Express. So you can go to Warp FRE and he'll bring you there. You can buy a minecart in the shop. I already have that in there. Then you can just take a nice little relaxing ride. We're still working on it, so it's a really bad end right now since we need to expand it. But I originally started building this and then Paulo added some, so we're just both working on it now. So yeah, it's that. Alright, and then Warp New Things is gonna be a bunch of mini games and other cool stuff. It's pretty much just for staff right now since we're building everything, but it'll eventually be open for everyone. So this spawns zombies, so it's zombie maze. And then over here we have boat racing. It's still a work in progress, but once it's done we'll set a warp and you can just race your friends. Not sure what this is. Haven't been in here. But let's go in. Alright, still under construction. Anyways, I'm gonna show you roles real quick. Yes, there are roles. This is a normal server with normal roles. Gonna add a couple more eventually. Josh made this. Then I was there and Pulse was there. Pulse is senior mod. He has the same perms as admin though. And then arena. Still working on it. But again, since you're watching my YouTube video, you get behind the scenes look. So yeah, it's the basic setup of the arena. Not sure how much they're going to be adding. Hopefully it'll be open to the public within a couple days. And the main point of this server is skyblock, so you can do /island to create your island. I already have my island, so yeah, it's mine. Pretty close to spawn. I originally had a duo island, but it's this now, so yeah, all the island commands. And that's pretty much it. So, thank you guys for watching. Like this video if you want more server reviews. Comment what else I should do on this channel. And don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time.